And it's nature's fury not just here but everywhere. Massive cloudburst now from Kishtwar in Jammu Kashmir. 12 feared dead in Kishtwar cloudburst. The rescue team has been deployed at the cloudburst site. These are the visuals we are getting from the area in Kishtwar in Jammu and Kashmir, where a massive cloudburst has happened. 12 are feared dead in the landslide that has happened because of this particular cloudburst. This is the area of Chishoti in in Kishtwar district. It has triggered a landslide and it has also triggered panic amongst the locals, as 12 have died in Kishtwar. We're bringing you visuals from the site right now, and you can see how there is now damage on the road. There is a lot of water that is flowing down the mountain at the moment because of this cloudburst. Now, what we are being informed is that the administration has swung into action. The rescue team has been deployed at the cloudburst site, and people who are stuck on that route because of the cloudburst, because of the landslide, are being rescued. But there is information about 12 being feared dead because of this cloudburst. There is information about people being injured in this particular incident. Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Union Minister, has gone on social media to speak about this particular incident. He said that he's spoken to the DC in Kishtwar after receiving the urgent message from the local political leaders. What he has said is that there has been a massive cloudburst which could result in substantial casualty. This is the statement given by Dr. Jitendra Singh on social media, who has said that administration has swung into action on this incident. Damage evaluation, rescue and medical management arrangements are being made. This is the information being put out by Dr. Jitendra Singh. Sunil Ji Bhatt joins me on this story. Sunil Ji, what more do we know about this area? What do we have any updates on what has happened here?
Check. A major tragedy has struck the far-flung district of Kishtwar in Jammu and Kashmir. A cloudburst has occurred in the Padar subdivision, and as per the initial reports, 12 people have lost their lives while many others are injured. Since the weather is inclement, it's going to take time for the rescue teams to reach the spot. But a major tragedy has hit the Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh tweeted a short while ago, and he said that he's in touch with the local administration. The rescue teams are on their way, but it's going to take time because the weather is inclement and there are landslides at many spots on that way. And Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has also expressed his grief and sorrow over the loss of lives in this tragedy. It has been raining cats and dogs here in Jammu and Kashmir for last many days. Weather is inclement. Even in Jammu city, it's raining very heavily right now, and the water level has increased in rivers of Jammu and Kashmir. Here, as far as Tavi River is concerned in Jammu, you can see the water level has increased here. Water flow has also increased in the river, and the administration has issued guidelines to the people, and the people have been asked to adhere to the guidelines. People should not venture near the rivers because in this monsoon season, it's very dangerous to venture near the rivers. There are reports of landslides and shooting stones in many parts of Jammu and Kashmir. There are flash floods that are being reported from the far-flung Mendhar area of the border district of Poonch. Rivers, the water level in rivers has increased. People are facing a harrowing time, particularly people who are traveling to hilly areas. The administration is closely monitoring the situation. Guidelines are being issued to the people that they must check their updates.
I have to interrupt you here for a moment. Jitendra Singh, Dr. Jitendra Singh is speaking. Let's listen in.
In a media briefing at the National Media Center here, suddenly I received an urgent message from the leader of opposition in J&K Assembly, who also happens to be the local MLA from that region in Kishtwar. He was quite upset and quite in panic, and he conveyed to me that there has been a massive cloud burst in the area which he represents, which also happens to be possibly the route of the very popular Macheli Yatra, which takes place over there during this part of the year. And the cloudburst is of a massive scale, which could possibly lead to a substantial casualty, which has not yet been worked out. As immediately we got in touch with the district administration, and the district administration was also at a loss because it had taken everybody by surprise. They have already started moving towards the site, because the site is also difficult as far as the topography and the geographical situation and geographical location is concerned. The rescue teams have already swung into action. Very soon we'll get more details. My office, we are all in touch with each other. But every possible assistance will be provided, whatever required, even including the medical management. And if there are certain injured who need to be shifted out, the administration will also make arrangements of airlifting through the helicopter, which is of course subject to the weather conditions. We'll keep you updated also. They are working out. It will be too premature to share that, but we will share.